Here is a long-form YouTube-style article about 1500 words in English on the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Subse VIP car in India, perfect for publishing on a YouTube description or blog post. I have woven in accurate, up-to-date details from trusted automotive sources so the content is informative, engaging, and rich in luxury car context. Car and driver Jor theme. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's the ultimate expression of automotive luxury and exclusivity, the kind of vehicle that defines what it means to be the most VIP car in India and around the world. It's a car that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it transports you in an environment of absolute comfort, bespoke craftsmanship, and understated power. In a country like India, where luxury is not just about price but prestige, status, and rarity, the Phantom stands in a league of its own, a moving statement of success and taste. From the moment you approach the Phantom, it makes its presence known with a grandeur that is unmistakable. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament rises proudly above the imposing Pantheon grille, announcing that this is no ordinary sedan. The design is timeless yet modern, presenting an aura of both heritage and relevancy, a perfect blend of Rolls-Royce's storied past with cutting-edge refinement that defines the 2026 model. HT Auto. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom delivers a remarkable combination of effortless performance and smoothness. It's powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing immense power and colossal torque that propels this nearly 6-meter luxury sedan with surprising grace. While performance cars measure thrill in acceleration figures, the Phantom's engineering philosophy focuses on serenity and ease. It delivers power in a way that feels serene, almost like gliding on a cushion of air rather than driving. Cars.wd.com. This is precisely why the Phantom is best experienced in its extended wheelbase EWB configuration in India, especially because a long wheelbase means more rear seat legroom, more space to stretch out, and more distance between you and the outside world. VIP guests, dignitaries, celebrities, or business magnates who are chauffeured rather than driving themselves often choose the EWB version for its limousine-like ambience. Car and driver. Inside, the interior is where the Rolls-Royce legend truly comes alive. There is no uniformity here, everything is handcrafted and fully customizable, from the delicate stitching of the leather seats to the exotic wood veneers and hand-polished metal accents that grace every surface. Rolls-Royce even allows owners to choose bespoke elements like monogrammed floor mats, starlight headliners with thousands of fiber optic lights, and custom interior themes that reflect personal taste. Balcony. Imagine sliding into seats upholstered in the finest leather, surrounded by quiet that rivals a soundproof concert hall. Rolls-Royce prides itself on engineering the Phantom to be an oasis of calm. Materials are chosen not just for their look but for their acoustic properties, ensuring noise is minimized to whisper-quiet levels. This environment creates a serene space in which even long trips can feel like a private first-class lounge on wheels. Car and driver. For many Indian luxury buyers, this silent cocoon with its unmatched ride quality is a major part of the car's appeal. Rolls-Royce's advanced air suspension system works in combination with road-scanning cameras to anticipate bumps and imperfections, smoothing them out before you feel them. In practice, this means city potholes, speed breakers, and uneven highways seem like a distant memory once the Phantom settles into its stride. Cars.wd.com. Technology in The 2026 Phantom doesn't shout, it whispers. The cabin integrates modern systems such as a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, an intuitive central infotainment display, and rear seat entertainment options that rival the best home theaters. Rear passengers can enjoy dual screens, built-in connectivity, and even bespoke sound experiences that are tailored to personal listening preferences. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity ensure that passengers, especially in India's booming digital age, stay connected even while enjoying their luxury cocoon. www.automatizer.com. One of the most remarkable features of the Phantom is that Rolls-Royce treats each vehicle as a canvas. In recent years, the company's bespoke program has allowed patrons to commission truly unique creations, from one-off embroidered interiors to intricate dashboard art pieces, all tailored to personal narratives and tastes. Imagine a Phantom with a galaxy of fiber optic stars overhead, or custom stitching that reflects personal symbols, heritage motifs, or cultural art forms. These are not just cars, they are bespoke masterpieces reflecting the owner's identity. Die Welt. In India, Rolls-Royce ownership is more than a status symbol, it's often a cultural statement. Business magnates, Bollywood celebrities, sports stars, and political elites have embraced the Phantom not only for its engineering excellence but for what it signifies: success, taste, and an appreciation for craftsmanship that transcends ordinary luxury. Many owners choose Phantom sedans and tailor them to Indian aesthetics, sometimes incorporating cultural motifs, custom paint shades, or interior themes that reflect personal stories, all under the Rolls-Royce bespoke umbrella. HT Auto. Let's talk about the price and cost in India. Due to import duties, taxes, and bespoke customization options, the Phantom carries a very high price tag, easily reaching into the ₹11 crore range or more when fully configured to individual preferences. Despite this, Phantom sales in India continue to attract high net worth buyers who see the car as an investment in lifestyle and long-term prestige. It's a car where the conversation often begins with, "What do you want your Phantom to reflect?" rather than, "Which color should we choose?" Autos max about. In performance terms, while many sports cars chase raw speed, the Phantom is about effortless motion. Its V12 engine sends power to the rear wheels through an intelligent automatic transmission, resulting in smooth acceleration that feels effortless. The ride quality, too, is unlike any other. Here, engineering is in service of refinement rather than adrenaline. This makes sense because a car like the Phantom is less about sprint times and more about how it feels when you settle into its cabin, close the coach doors behind you, and let the world slip quietly away. Car and driver. Rolls-Royce also ensures that safety and driver assistance technology are up to modern standards. While details vary depending on region and configuration, features typically include advanced parking systems, collision avoidance systems, lane assist technologies, and high-beam laser-assisted headlights, all designed to protect a car of this magnitude. In a city like Mumbai or Delhi, these systems are invaluable for navigating tight streets and busy traffic with confidence. Cars.wd.com. One more element of importance is the community and culture that surrounds Rolls-Royce ownership. Phantom owners in India often become part of an exclusive club of like-minded collectors and enthusiasts. Invitations to private events, bespoke preview experiences, and luxury brand partnerships from haute couture to private jets are part of what makes owning a Phantom a lifestyle, not just a possession. All of this contributes to why the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is considered subse VIP car in India and globally. It's not just because it's expensive. Millions of dollars worth of materials, engineering, and craftsmanship go into its creation, but because of what it represents. It represents a life of luxury without compromise, of traditions and stories told through bespoke detailing, and of a journey that prioritizes serenity, excellence, and custom identity above all else. In closing, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains at the pinnacle of automotive luxury in 2026. Whether you're describing its handcrafted interior, its refined performance, its cultural significance in India, or its aura of exclusivity, the Phantom continues to embody what it means to own a truly VIP car. For those who seek automotive perfection and transcend the ordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom stands unrivaled, a masterpiece on wheels that commands respect, admiration, and awe wherever it appears. Car and driver. If you want this article translated into Hindi or tailored for a specific YouTube title and keywords for SEO, just let me know. Car 1.